Sure.
It's so delicious.
Hi, Totoy.
I'm so cute.
I'm videotaping Totoy. Oh, no.
Hey, what happened to my candy? Where's mine?
No. You left it out last night there.
No?
Only one?
Yeah. There's a lot. Hey, what? You've only got one.
What happened there? Where'd you guys put your candy?
No, that's in the bucket.
Why it's not there?
Wait a second. I don't know where to go.
Where'd you guys put it?
It wasn't there for there. No, when we were taking a picture, we were standing over here, and then something was coming inside.
Hmm?
Right?
No.
Inside. Oh, ants! 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 Spiders! Spiders came inside, eat it. Chocolate.
Did you guys put it that last night?
Mm-hmm. We let it stay there. Yeah. For real.
I guess that's the only candy you guys could eat.
Maybe Daddy.
No. Daddy doesn't know. Daddy went to work. Hmm?
Yesterday. Maybe. I know what happened. Daddy put the plastic in here.
Oh no, you guys forget. The Halloween's over.
Huh?
The Halloween's over.
No.